Good PM. Today is October 17, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Swear 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Here are the STL Swear 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for October 17, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the STL Swear 3 PM result for Cebu City under LTS Advanced Incorporated for Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for afternoon of October 17, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.